welcome back to the channel. See this right here? A 1950 International Harvester. So I'm going to go over this truck here for you. It's on the channel. If you like it and subscribe and comment and you want to see more of these classic trucks, feel free to do so, because I will present them to you if I know you're enjoying it. And I know a lot of you folks will. And if you're in the area, stop by at Bob Allen's here for you to choose from, and an excellent staff that's more than happy to welcome you into the buying market. All right, so let's get on with the video. Here we are, folks. A 1950 International Harvester pickup truck with a 6-cylinder gas engine, 4-speed manual. There's the logo there, International 110 series, right? I love the two-tone color paint here. It's awesome. It's with the 235s, 70R16 tires. So it's very, very detailed. You've got a Super Duty Cooper tire here for a spare sitting on the back of the bed, of course. And that is the size of the tire on this one. It's also the 16-inch 70 series as well. As you can see down here, it's a P235 70R16 Goodyear. So yeah, if you're into the old classic stuff, right, this is a real treat for you folks that are into the classic stuff. The box back here is in really, really, really good shape as well, right? So you've got a nice detail here in the back, International. You've got the International logo right here, right? Chrome bumper on the back, the old style brake lights, of course. And you've got the nice chain hookups right here. This truck is in really good shape. You're talking, 73 years old here. I mean, it's in really, 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 really good shape, right? Love the mirror back in the day, right? I wouldn't want to be traveling, towing a trailer with it today, with those little mirrors, but back in the day it worked. So yeah, it's pretty cool, right? If you're looking for something in the classic era, this is definitely it for you. I love the black all the way along the bottom with the red accent on the top, right? It's got a couple little, spots on it, but what can you expect for a vehicle that's 70-some years old, right? Love the front. For those of you folks that are looking to maybe pick this up, maybe do something with it, maybe even lower it down some, give it that low rider type look, might be a little project that you might be interested in doing, right? So yeah, pretty cool. I'll show you the front here. I'll show you the inside. There it is there. 1950 International 110 Harvester. 48,159 kilometers. That's all original, right? So pretty cool. I'll show you inside here right quick. So pretty, like, this is in really, really good shape here, folks, right? You got the double window in the back, right? Looks like the headliner's been taken out of it, but hey, what do you expect, right? I imagine anybody that's looking to put the headliner back in it, it'll be no problem. You still got the original panels on the doors here. right? Right? You get the original, everything's all original inside here. Like, this is in really, really, really good shape, right? I do see somebody added a cassette player to the vehicle. I'm almost positive there was no such thing as a cassette player back in the 1950s, but little added little feature there for you, right? And you got some gauges down here as well, right? All your controls, everything there. International logo there. I'm probably sure that might be an ashtray. Let's take a look-see. Yep, there's an ashtray. There you go. Pretty cool. Yep. So yeah. You know, today if you want an ashtray, I don't think you can order one in a vehicle today. So yeah, 4-speed manual, like I said. Right? Down here you've got the gas pedal, the brake, and the clutch, of course. The old school handbrake, emergency brake right here. Right? Pretty sweet. Right? It's in really, really good shape. Right? And listen to the clunk of the doors when I shut the door here. Listen to this. Now that's when you know a vehicle was made with some really good metal at the time. Right? Compared to some of this newer stuff. You got your gas thing here. Put your fuel in. Right? So again, it's if you'd like me showing you this stuff, please comment in the section below, and I'll try my best to find some more classic trucks here to put on the channel. Right? And I just love this as well. The International hubcap right on the tire there. How cool is that, right? So yeah, so that's this one. Be safe. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.